What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to walk you through making a GIF for your channel. So I have a bunch of GIFs that I do. Let's see if I can pop it up over here to where you can see it. Oh, it's so messed up looking. It is so messed up looking, but that's all right. It will change, or you'll at least see the GIFs. So I have little GIFs that I put up.
I'm a fireman. I'm 100%.
And
Where is he? I'll beat him with my fist.
just want to kind of walk through how I do one of those. One of the ones I've been wanting for a while now is Christopher Walken.
Hey, you're talking to my guy all wrong. It's the wrong tone. Do it again, I'll stab you in the face with a soldering iron.
That's the one I want to get. So that's already broken down into a GIF. So let's go ahead and try and take this one instead. Not that one. So we're going to take this and we're going to cut it down. That way you guys can see exactly how it's done.
Hey, Dirt.
All right, there we go. So download the video. It should be in my downloads file. There it is. I'm just going to pop it over here. And what I'm using here is PowerDirector. It's the free edition. Get the video you want.
Hey, Dirt. I thought I told you, buddy. Nobody wants you around.
So I want him right there, right where he goes. Just go, hey. So I want to put a little bit right before it. That way it's not like abrupt to the ears right away. All right.
You're talking to my guy all wrong. It's the wrong tone. Do it again, I'll stab you in the face with a soldering iron.
So I'm going to leave the dog bit in there because I actually kind of like it. Then we're just going to cut that. And we'll delete. And if you hit Control Delete, it will fill in the gaps. So that's pretty much it. That's all there is to doing that portion of it. Now we're going to take it over into OBS and set it up. After we export it, of course, there's going to be a little watermark, which I don't care. Sign in and produce with watermark. Name it Talking to My Guy. And then all we're going to do is press start. There's going to be this watermark, unfortunately, in the bottom right. All right, so now that's done. I'm going to go ahead and close out. No, I don't care to save the changes. All right, so this is where we're going to go ahead and add one. One of the things
He looks like a weirdie.
That way you keep all of your sound alerts and everything that you're trying to keep duplicate. And when it comes up, just rename it. Name it Talking to My Guy. And then when it comes to the win right here, I'm just going to delete that. That way you can see the whole process. On OBS, you're going to click the add source, go to media source, type in. If you name it the same over here, which is why I put TTMG, if you name it the exact same, it will not work. It will say same name, so it can't find it. So we're gonna do that and browse it. So what I forgot to mention is that it's actually pretty important that when you do your local file source, if you're going to be moving that, you need to make sure it's in the right area. So I keep all my GIFs in one area. So make sure that you save it into the area that you're going to keep it at. So you just do that. You can go loop or restart playback when source becomes active, which is the one that I do. That way when I hit my stream deck, it automatically pops up.
Hey!
So I'll hit that.
You're talking to my guy all wrong. It's the wrong tone. Do it again, I'll stab you in the face with a soldering iron.
And since we don't want that,
hey!
Keep going back and forth.
You're talking to my guy all wrong. It's the wrong tone.
That's all I'm gonna do.
Do it again,
Like that. Just
I'll stab you in the
down.
face with a soldering iron.
Pop that up just a little bit more. And then you're probably wondering why there's no sound. You have to go over here, click on the little three dots, advanced audio properties, and then look for your source. And just go ahead and hit monitor and output. That way you hear it through your headphones too. go ahead and walk you through the Stream Deck process. So normally this is how my Stream Deck is set up. So I'll go ahead and click GIFs. I'll pop up over here, find OBS Studios, scene, and drag and drop. It'll load up the scenes and you have to have OBS open for this. Then you just go down through your scenes, pop that up, and just plug it in. Now, when I go to my scene, I'm just gonna go ahead and...
Hey! You're talking to my guy all wrong. It's the wrong tone. Do it again, I'll stab you in the face with a soldering iron.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that you learned something from it. You know, do the subscribe, follow, thingy-majigger if you want. And definitely 100%, if you guys are playing a game and you're tired of playing by yourselves all the time, go over and check out the Deranged Discord. Anyways, definitely go and join and have some fun with other like-minded gamers.